Well, if there was ever any doubt, you'll know that spring has arrived whenever you look at these gorgeous plants. They are, of course, the evergreen azaleas. Big fat buds that when they break open just have small compact plants that are literally covered with masses of flowers. And if you drive down a neighborhood and you see a white flowering evergreen azalea, the chances are it's this one, Delaware Valley White. For this is one that has very definitely stood the test of time. Grows about 5 to 6 foot high, has evergreen foliage on it, of course, and as you see is absolutely covered with masses of buds that then, when they, as they are now, just beginning to pop open, the whole plant is covered in pristine pure white flowers. Really good, reliable, vigorous variety that has, under wide variety of circumstances, put on a tremendous amount of performance. Generally acknowledged as a Glendale hybrid that was raised at the USDA's development plant in Maryland, this is a really superb variety of white evergreen azaleas. This is Azalea Delaware Valley White.